Hi everyone, it's Jacqueline and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lately I've been loving orange and peachy color for my daily makeup because they're so fun, they're so fresh, and they're like the perfect color for a daily basis makeup. But I usually wouldn't go for a very pigmented orange color because they would look crazy on a daily basis, especially when I'm in the hospital. I would look crazy. But today, since I'm on my holiday, I thought it'd be fun to step up the look and went all out with the orange color, and hopefully I will then turn myself into Donald Trump. Okay, enough with the chit chat, and now let's get into the tutorial. So basically I'm done with my base makeup, which is my foundation, my concealer, and also my powder to set it all in. And I have also done my eyebrows as well. But now I'm going to set it all in, set my eyebrows using this eyebrow mascara from Holika. It is a Korean brand. This is the product. So now let's move on to the eye, and I'm going to use my Twilight palette. Actually, I really love this palette because they are so pigmented and they're very affordable. Oh! Okay. And I'm going to combine that palette with this small palette by Tony Moly because they have the same undertone, which is orange color. So first of all, I'm going to take my pencil brush. For the crease color, I'm going to combine this orange color right here for the crease. So here's a little bit of life update that you never asked for. So I'm pretty much done with my first clinical department, which is psychiatry. And it was very exciting. I really like it. And I think that it'll be one of the best departments. Now I'm moving into the radiology department, which is why I have 2 weeks of break. Or actually, I'll be in the radiology department already when I upload this video. So next, I'm going to take the orange color, which is Tangerine from this palette. Also for the crease, we're going to like make it super orange. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I should zoom you in. Let me just say that having 2 weeks of break without having any friends around you sucks because most of my friends are in another ongoing department, so I can't really hang out with them. That actually make my holiday pretty much useless because I can't hang out with anyone. But actually, I'm still very grateful for the amount of sleep that I get, which is around 10 to 12 hours a day. So yeah, now I'm taking a smaller brush. I'm going to take the same color, but now I'm going to put it under my eyes to my lower lash line. I'm so bored during these 2 weeks of break, hence this video. But yeah, I have nothing to do. Taking a softer color, which is this color from this palette, I'm going to put it in the inner part of my lower lash line to make a gradation kind of look. And now I'm going to add this darker color for a little bit of dimension on the outer corner of my eye. It is actually pretty sad how I put a lot of effort in doing my makeup and ended up not going anywhere, because I think it is such a waste of makeup. But when you think about it, a lot of beauty vloggers out there does the same thing. They just put on their makeup and ended up not going anywhere. They just do it for the video, but it's their main job, so I think it's okay. I'm going to take this one right here called Amber with this small brush, and this time I'm going to concentrate this color to the outer part of my lid to make that crease a little bit deeper. I'm going to place it there and pop it there with a tapping motion and then blend it in. Now taking the same color, I'm going to put it on my lower lash line, but only the outer part. Oh my god, look at my eye bag. It's so disgusting. Oh my god, this is such a crazy look. Okay, taking even a darker color than that, we're going to take this one color called Magic, which is a dark brown color, and tap it off. And I'm going to tap a little bit on the outer part to create another dimension of color, if that makes any sense. Actually, that was one of my reasons why I stopped making a makeup tutorial for a long time, because I feel so lazy if I have to put on my makeup and ended up not going anywhere. But I really appreciate a lot of my friends out there who work really hard on their videos. Some even film in the middle of the night, which is something that I will never do. Because one, I need to sleep, and second, I like natural lighting way better than artificial lighting, like from a ring light, which is why I always try to film in the middle of the day. Okay, now that I've finally decided which color that I should use, I'm going to use this one called Knit Fire. I find it better to use finger than to use a brush. We're going to add even more color using this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. This one. Yeah, I hit the pen already because I love it so much. And now using a smaller brush, which is this kind of brush, take a little bit of it and I'm going to put it on my inner corner. Okay, so my eye makeup is done and now I'm going to move on back to my face makeup. I haven't put on my bronzer, so we're going to do that right now using my favorite bronzer and the only bronzer that I have. I'm going to use this highlighting powder as a blush, and they can double up as a highlighter as well because they're super glowing. Next, I'm going to take this brush again and going to use my highlighter. This one is from Catidol and it is such a great highlighter. They're so pigmented, so blinding. We're done with the face makeup. Now I'm going to use the lipstick. I have a few options. On second thought, I'm just going to use this Nude Me liquid lip matte in color Peach Me. So that's it. I think I'm done with the makeup look. And this is the final look. I don't look like Donald Trump. Thank God. So I'm done with the makeup and this is the final result. I really like them because they're not too overwhelming and still somewhat very natural. And yeah, thank you so much for accompanying me during this helpless, lonely day, and I'm going to take a nap now. So I'll see you another time. Bye!